BMW stops making engine in Germany. Major changes are underway at BMW as the German automaker gears up to embrace electric mobility across its entire lineup. BMW is investing €400 million in a new vehicle plant at its main production site in Munich, Germany, as it prepares to introduce its EVs. To make room for the new plant, an existing facility that has produced 4-, 6-, 8-, and 12-cylinder engines for the past 6 decades will be dismantled. However, BMW is not abandoning internal combustion engines entirely. Engine production continues at plants in Austria and the United Kingdom. Plants in Leipzig and Regensburg, Germany, have also been upgraded to handle the production of EV components, while the Austrian engine plant has been prepared for EV component manufacturing.